like to welcome back Chef Dale. Today Chef Dale is making one of his recipes that he makes at home for a quick and delicious meal. So grab a glass of wine and let's get started. Zucchini spaghetti. The ingredients you will need are olive oil, garlic, pasta sauce, a medium onion, Italian sausage, bell pepper, and zucchini. He starts by dicing the onion and peppers. A little olive oil in the pan. He adds the garlic, then the diced onions and peppers. Chef adds a sauce, then a little wine to rinse out the jar, and of course, a glass of wine for Chef Dale. Next, the Italian sausage. He adds them to the sauce. Cooks on medium heat till the sausage is done. In the meantime, you grab your zucchini, leaving on the skin. Wow, this is a really great machine. You set aside the zucchini. Put your sausage and the sauce in the blender and give it 3 to 4 quick pulses. You want a chunky consistency. Next, a quick saute with oil and garlic. You don't want to overcook it. You want it to be al dente. Sometimes Chef Dale puts the zucchini in at room temperature and lets a hot pasta sauce warm them through. A little Parmesan cheese on the side, and you're ready to eat. Another glass of wine and a thumbs up. We would like to thank Chef Dale for sharing his recipe today. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.